we are back on for another Sunday group crawl. I am absolutely freezing. There's only a few of us today. We're at Radley Woods, a beast. I've only ever been here once, I think, but cold. We're gonna crack into it because they're hitting some mega lines down there. Can't believe how big that is, man. It's definitely like a 1/8 size. Mine's a 1/10. Look at the size of that.
They say it's 110, but I'm not entirely sure.
But then again, they say the canyons are 110. Oh yeah, that's well smooth. Look at this, guys. We've got the, that's right, fully 3D printed Unimog beast. Oh yes. That's bigger than it looks on the videos, mate, I tell you. Yeah, boy. Well, I've bought the Unimog as well. My custom built Unimog. Look at the axles on it, look. Oh yeah, and the Fury. And the Fury, oh yeah, look at that. This was a dually, took the rear wheels off. Crawls loads better, look at that. There you go, guys, look at the size difference is unbelievable. Wow. I didn't know I had headlights on that one. Beast, both the Unimogs, look at that. Let's try and get the Mog up this hill, it ain't gonna happen. No chance.
My fish chips.
Oh, it's not, is he? Oh no, oh no, oh no. Sorry, mate. Got that one as well. Cooling these hills with one hand, man. No, watch out, boy. Very slippery. Cheers, mate. Just like that. All the time.
Oh, really as well.
Yeah, boy. Oh yeah. Oh yes. That thing is silent, mate. Look at that. Fully 3D printed as well. Fully 3D printed. That thing's epic. Look at that. Oh, Daisy's jumping it. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Literally, there's nothing in front of it either. I fucking don't even know. Nah, I think I'm the motorway. Yeah, boys. Oh, yes! Fury's a beast. Really old size. Oh, yeah.
Try to find Rob and run him over. That's kind of stupid.
Yeah, I don't know what route he does. If not, I'd chase him on my motorbike. That's well smooth, that is. Quiet, very quiet.
It's all belt drive.
Yeah, that's good. Seems pretty like durable though, really.
So far, let's give it time.
And it's had a tumble. Oh, anything will break after a few rolls.
Yeah.
This goes with a Fury. Look. Wow. But I don't know what's even up the top of that. Yeah, our time for the Unimog. I think we're all going to have a little blast up here. A blast from the past. Oh look, them old tyres digging in that old sand. don't think I'm going to be able to get up here. Probably not. Oh, I'm stuck. Yeah, come on. See if the Unimog can do this. We're all coming anyway. Oh, come on. This thing is custom built. Oh, come on. Most of it is axial. Oh yeah, oh no. Going up the edges. Oh yeah. There we go. Got this beast. Fully 3D printed beast. Look at that. Big old grippy tyres. That's crawling very well, man. Very well. Got this beast. Yeah, boy. Yeah, definitely slippery, getting stuck. Daisy's going up in reverse. Yeah, man.
Lovely Scandinavian
lifestyle. Yeah.
It's got a
The axles are
husky,
3D printed on that.
a big workshop.
Yeah.
It's got a
That's
nice
actually
big
really
land
well.
road. It's like really cool.
And tyres actually doing really good. That's a little spot. Daisy wheelies up the hill. See if I can get any traction. Oh, doing alright actually. Straight on there, mate. Yeah, man. Look at that. That's it, yeah, boy. Trying a few of these. Look at that man, mate. Oh, look at that. Yeah, man. Round 2, try again. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, nice.
Still gave you a push.
Yeah, you did touch me. Oh, you're
What's
fine.
that later? Gave you a push.
Yeah, boys.